Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Trichy, and it is from Tamil Nadu state. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening in Durafit Fitex. They are looking for online sales, and coming to the domain experience, 1 year to 2 years of experience required, e-com portal handling experience, social media pages handling, MBA in marketing specialization is required. Coming to the key responsibility area, sales target achievement, campaigns report analysis, product listening and data hygiene enhancement, diplomatic way of handling stakeholders, brand value maintenance, team handling, social media handling, SEO, website optimization. These are the key responsibilities areas. Coming to the mandatory skills, coordinating inter-teams, planning for further growth and delegation, data analysis, and external stakeholders management and negotiation. And coming to the bonus skills, the candidates should be Hindi speaking, SEM or SEO certifications, tools and technology awareness, MS Word or Excel, Zoho Analytics average, CRM average knowledge, Google Analytics, SEO tools, and keyword planner, SEMrush, and Uber suggest are the bonus skills for the candidates. And interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening is available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager, credit operations. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, the candidates are responsible for file disbursement of secured or unsecured products, deliver disbursement quality, maintain file hold as per agreed SLA, know loan documentation, pre-sanction and post-sanction, and ability to learn and apply learning quickly. And coming to the required qualifications and experience, and graduate with 1 to 2 years of experience in loan operations is required, and computer proficiency, non-flexible in terms of office timings, mortgages or personal or business loan disbursement experience is must. And these are the required qualifications. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Control Alt Fix. They are looking for travel agency specialist. Coming to the job description, immigration consultant or senior immigrant consultant, build relationships with the prospective clients, maintain consistent contact with existing clients, manage sales pipeline, track metrics to ensure targets are hit, capacity to achieve the monthly target, having clear vision towards goal, ready to approach new knowledge, and qualifications will be 3 years plus experience in sales industry and experience in full sales cycle including deal closing, demonstrated sales success, strong negotiation skills, strong communication and presentation skills are required. Coming to the requirements, immigration experience is preferred, graduation or post graduation in any stream is preferred, basic communication skills, English and Tamil is required, and candidates with experience in sales immigration industry will be preferred. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Capgemini. They are looking for invoice processing. And coming to the job description, that is provide audit requirements to external or internal audit, participate in special projects, timely reporting at month close or payment cycles, issue resolution, adaptability and flexibility working across teams and shifts, building supportive relationships with peers and colleagues, monitor established internal controls to assure proper compliance. And coming to the primary skills, possess strong accounting knowledge and business understanding of the AP process, coordination with internal and clients on resolving operational issues and resolving them, provide audit requirements to external or internal audit, participate in special projects. Coming to the secondary skills, timely reporting at month close or payment cycles, issue resolution, adaptability and flexibility working across teams and shifts, building supportive relationships with peers and colleagues, monitor establish the internal controls to assure proper compliance. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in First Source for the job role, that is a CSA. Coming to the job summary, a client's examiner needs to analyze multiple documents or contracts and decide to pay or deny the claim submitted by member or providers with respect to client specifications. The claims examiner should also route the claim to different department or provider or member for any missing information that required for claims adjudication, and the claims need to be completed adhering to required TAT and quality SLA. Coming to the key responsibilities, production, quality, shift and schedule adherence, process knowledge are the key responsibilities. Coming to the key skills required, good communication skills and listening and comprehensive skills are required, and minimum eligibility is graduation in any discipline, 3 years without arrears. And this is the job description. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Internest agency. They are looking for social media marketing specialist. Coming to the job summary, they are looking for a social media specialist to handle the social media accounts of their clients with 2 years plus experience, and they expect you to be up to date with the latest digital technologies and social media trends. Coming to the requirements, extensive knowledge of using social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. Responsible for audience growth and engagement of the social media pages or profiles, and responsible for the reach of content, quality of posts or tweets, and should have the ability to create and organize viral campaigns, develop engaging, creative, innovative content for regularly scheduled posts, and which enlighten audience and promote brand focused messages, and manage the delivery of creative services within the team, monitor, track, analysis and report on performance, and research and evaluate the latest trends and techniques to find new and better ways of measuring social media activity. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in SPM HR Solutions. They are looking for digital marketing executive, and the experience will be 1 to 2 years. And coming to the roles and responsibilities, well versed with all social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. Generate leads through digital marketing channels like SEO and email marketing, and well versed with SEO activities, and the candidates should have basic knowledge about HTML, CSS, WordPress, Google Analytics and AdWords. And coming to the desired skills and experience, the candidates should have skills in digital marketing, email marketing, digital marketing executive, AdWords, SMM and search engine optimization, social media marketing, Google Analytics, media planning, SEO and social media. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Kaveri Hospital. They are looking for senior executive. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, the candidates will work as an assistant to HR manager and will assist him in all duties, receive and review all requests for new recruiters, and maintain, modify and update personal database, and release in the print and other social media on order of the HR manager, and will receive unsort all applications or resume received against an employer, and will make a summary and keep them on manager's table, and will schedule interviews as per instructions, and will help in conducting interviews. These are the responsibilities for the senior executive position. Coming to the eligibilities, MBA in Human Resources and MSW or MA is required, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available in Grand Gardenia. They are looking for front office executive, and hotel experience is must for this job role. Coming to the responsibilities, process all guest check-ins, checkouts, room assignments and room charge, late checkouts request, secure payment, activate or reissue room keys, ensure rates match market costs, document exceptions, verify or adjust billing for guests, and communicate to appropriate staff when guests are waiting for an available room, advise guests of messages, clear departures in computer system, coordinate with housekeeping to track room status and guest concerns, file guest paperwork or documentation, operate telephone switchboard station. These are the key responsibilities for this position. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.